Hey, this is me again, and I have braids in my hair, which I hate. I don't really like braids in my hair. Oh yeah. Anyway, I made this video to show the most adorable thing ever. So this is an air mattress because we're moving, as I've told you in some of my videos, and it sucks. So our beds are half and stuff. Actually, it's all our beds. So we're leaving this house tomorrow, and we're leaving Oregon the day after. So yeah, you want to see the most adorable thing ever? This is my dog on the air mattress. He's actually pretty fierce, you want to see? Okay, it's hard to adjust because I was looking at you can see. He's a fierce doggy. So Smokey, you're the goodest, fiercest boy. He's fierce. Can't see it very well. You can see my thing annoying. He's a fierce doggy. He's actually really nice. He's really nice. Yes, you will. Are you gonna sign us off? Like no. Are you just gonna hit the stop button for me? I'm gonna make your ear press the stop button for me. Okay. I'll hit your stop button for you. Okay, this is me again, signing off with my dog's paw. Once I get him to click it. There we go. Almost there.